Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to revive someone on the PUBG Mobile game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the PUBG Mobile game on your device and go ahead and start any game along with your partners. Now in order to use the revive feature, you will need to play the game with some partners. So once you go ahead and start your game, continue with enjoying the game. Now when one of your teammates has been killed and they have been knocked down, you will gain that information at the top left section of your game. Once you go to their location, you will see the revive button that you can tap on, and this will take a few seconds while your player will revive your teammate. This can also be done once your player has been killed all along by using the recall feature as is shown in this video. The revive feature works pretty much the same. The only difference is that your teammate is not entirely dead but only knocked down, and you will need to visit your teammate instead of this beacon in case of revival. And there you have it. That is how you can revive your teammate within the PUBG Mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.